Good morning, everyone. And for today, I wanted to talk about the difference between Make Sense Original Foundation and the Anti-Aging Foundation, because there is a sale announced today morning for the Anti-Aging Foundation. So it's going to be from today to tomorrow, and it's 15% off the entire Anti-Aging Foundation collection. So I use the Make Sense Original Foundation. The difference I wanted to talk about mainly the difference between both of them. That way you can select whichever works for you. Color I use is the tan foundation from the Make Sense Original Foundation, and I have also brought the anti-aging foundation. You can see there is a slight difference between both. That is because the formula differs a little bit from original to the anti-aging foundation. We carry 16 different shades of foundation in each line. They both carry the same type. If you see the beauty book, you can see it. We have from the lightest to the darkest. So the same 16 shades are there in the anti-aging foundation too. So if you compare both of them, what I am going to do is I'm going to do one side with the original foundation, and I'm going to do the other side with the anti-aging foundation. Let me show the swatch first for you to compare. So this will be the original foundation. So this is the original foundation and this is the anti-aging foundation. As you can see, there will be a slight difference in the shades, but since the color matching technology that's there in both of them, they will adapt up to 3 levels darker and 3 shades lighter. So that makes it easy for you to color match. And when you are color matching yourself, the first thing to consider is whether you are a warm tone or a cool tone. If your veins are blue, then you are a cool tone. If your veins are green, then you are a warm tone. As you can clearly see, mine is a green vein, so obviously I am a warm tone. The same way, the other way to find out is if silver jewelry looks good on you, then you are a cool tone, and if gold jewelry looks good on you, then you are a warm tone. I am a warm tone as such, and when you give few seconds for this foundation to color match yourself, it picks your pH balance and adjusts to your skin tone in few seconds. So once I give few seconds, you can see it slowly starts to pick my pigmentation, and they will in few seconds you won't even find the difference between both. So let me go ahead and start using my brush for the Make Sense foundation on this side, and let's go ahead and talk about it. They both have Senaplex complex in them that is going to help with anti-aging, but the difference with the anti-aging foundation is has something called Senashield. They both have a mechanical shield which is equivalent to SPF 15 in them, like our daytime moisturizer. The daytime moisturizer has SPF 15, so when you layer it on top of it, that gives you a mechanical equivalent of SPF 30 in them. So I'm going to use a brush, and the best way if you want like a medium to heavy coverage is to stipple, which means you are just going to press it and you don't wipe it out. Just by pressing and adapting, this will give you a nice coverage. And these both of the foundations are buildable. That means once the first layer sets, you can go ahead and do one more layer if you prefer to have more coverage on them. For me, I prefer light to medium coverage. I am not a heavy coverage person, so I always prefer to do just like a one layer of it, and you can always layer CCTM under our foundations. You can see the difference between the side it's been done to this side. So you can see the uneven skin tone and redness and all, whereas the foundation has color corrected it. I'm going to do, and you can see by the time they both picked my shades, and you can see they both are like similar once they are buffed out. I didn't mix or do anything afterwards. Like it's so you if you leave it to set it for few seconds, they will pick your color pigment in few seconds. So I am going ahead with the anti-aging foundation this side. As I said, the formula is little different when it comes to anti-aging versus the original foundation. The main difference is it has something called Senna Shield, which is also present in our Senna Serum C. So these are the only two products that has the Senna Shield in them. What it does is it's going to give you extra protection from urbanization and the damage we did on your skin cells. That way it's going to help to what is it, like a repair while you wearing them. And both of our foundations are non-comedogenic. That means they won't clog your pores, so they are going to help while you wear them as a skincare and protecting yourself from sun with the SPF equivalent of 15 in them. If you're someone who has like slowly started seeing signs of aging, like wrinkles or dark spots and other things, then obviously anti-aging foundation is going to help. The only difference, as I said, was the formula is little different. So the anti-aging foundation will be little more moisturizing. So if you're someone who likes like a matte look, then I would prefer you to either mix our powder with our foundation. That will again give you heavy coverage and also it will mattify the look, or you can layer them. Like once you do the foundation, you can just add a layer of powder to that. That way it will give you like a matte look, but at the same time you will have benefits of the anti-aging foundation to it. And the part of profit from the Make Sense foundation from both the foundations goes to our non-profit organization, Make Sense Foundation. So they will use the proceeds to for women and other very good causes. So you can see, even though I have used two different formulas, they both are going to slowly start picking my skin color and they will start adapting to the my pH balance. As I said, the color matching is really easy when it comes to the foundation. And out of the 16, we used to have samples for 9 of them. So it's like it's very easy for you to pick the shade of your choice. So this is the light. So light comes with 3 of the shades from the foundations. The same way we have 3 of the medium. Since there were so many samples went out, I ran out of the medium samples. And the same way we have the deep tones. So you have like a cool tone, a warm tone, and also a neutral tone in all combinations. So that way you can pick the closest shade from yours and see how it adapts to you. Also, the foundation comes in travel size too. So I like to always add it when the order goes out. Sometimes I pick the closest shade, and even the pearlizer is included in this sale, because pearlizer also comes in both formulation, the Make Sense and the anti-aging. There is a difference in pearlizer too. One is more of a yellow undertone to it, one is more of like a like a pink undertone to it. So they are also little different. And the other way to use these foundations are, for example, if I send you a sample with dewy in the packet, you can still use a foundation that is lighter to highlight under your eyes. At the same time, you can use the darker shade for contouring. When you use the same formula for contouring and highlighting, it blends so well with your foundation. That way they don't stand out. And these travel sizes will last longer too, because you just need hardly 1 pump, half to 1 pump for a normal coverage. Even if you're going for heavy coverage, you will maximum use two, not more than that. That's all you may need. Other cool thing is it comes in our airless pump. So whether it's Make Sense or the anti-aging, both comes in the airless pump. That way you have every bit, you can use it. I still always remember the old way where you used to do this to take out even the last bit of it. Here you don't have the issue at all. It pumps it all the way through, so it makes it easier for you to use it. I'm going to just use our green pencil liner for today's look. I love green actually. These pencils are like easy to use just to finish any look, and they are, and all our foundations are smudge resistant and water resistant all day wear. And not only that, as I said, they have equivalent of mechanical equivalent of SPF 15 in them. So when you layer them for sun protection, you have, like with our daytime moisturizer has a SPF 15. Again CCTM and all the foundations have another SPF 15 in them. So based on how much you are layering, you will get a maximum benefit of SPF 45 with it. So I'm going to use the 3-in-1 lash primer first, and then I'm going to use the non-waterproof mascara, and I'm thinking to just go with a gloss to finish the look. So, and the one more thing to consider is Senegen's products are designed in such a way that they work really well with each other. So since I use the skincare also from Senegen's, I found it the long lasting benefits really well. That way, like the foundation stays pretty much all day until you remove it at the end of night. If you are using from skincare from other brands, there may be a different in long lasting benefits, because if you're what to say, like your moisturizers or other products from the other line, if it starts breaking the formula, then there may be a little bit of different to that. But for me, as I said, my daytime routine is just cleanser, climate control and Seneserum C, and then I follow it with our day moisturizer, and then I'll go ahead with the foundation. So I'm going to go ahead with the non-waterproof mascara over the lash primer. If you are someone who has like watery eyes, then you can always use a waterproof one. For me, waterproof is for like special days, and non-waterproof is for my everyday look. So the last step, I'm going to just use one of our pigment glosses to finish the look. So the colors I picked are Cherry Lemonade or the Red Delicious. So I'm going to do one of them. I'm doing the Cherry Lemonade for today's look. Obviously, it reminds of summertime. So that's Cherry Lemonade, and if you want to utilize the sale, ping me. These are going to be pre-orders, because I don't have much of foundation in stock, so I have to place an order by tomorrow night if you need them. So I would prefer it to be a pre-order. So you can check all the 16 shades, or ping me with your picture for me to color match. And that's all for today's video. See you guys with the new content.